Hi friends, today I am going to talk about something interesting. You may be wondering what is that? That is FANBOYS. You know what is FANBOYS? Today I am going to talk about what is FANBOYS, where it is used and what is the purpose for using FANBOYS. FANBOYS are the set of conjunctions which is used to connect the idea to the sentence, so the sentence will flow naturally and logically. For example, if we have proper traffic signal, the traffic will flow naturally or smoothly. In the same way, when we are using conjunctions wherever necessary in the sentence will flow naturally and logically and the meaning also clear. If we are not using the conjunctions wherever necessary in the sentence gets stuck and the meaning also unclear. So use conjunctions to construct your sentence and make meaningful sentence. And the F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for it, S stands for so. Hope this will be useful to you. If you want more strategies regarding OET, please subscribe to this channel and raise your concerns in the comment space. Thank you all.